Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get online receipts in Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you can see on your screen there's options like Home, My Trips, Deals, Cards and more. Go to My Trips. There you can see all the upcoming, completed and cancelled trips. Well, select one of the trips there. Go to the trip detail. Under booking detail, you're gonna find option like edit booking, manage booking, etc. All you have to do is go ahead and look at the top of the screen where you're gonna get property info, room info, guest info, cancellation policy and payment info. All you have to do now is go ahead and scroll down and find that send a receipt by email option. Tap on it. Well, this one hasn't been paid yet, but you're gonna get that a receipt in that way. And guys, that's it. That's how you get online receipts from Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.